mara make sure ukuthi mangokha nje ikuprint team so bekanganaki njalo into leyo nje
Raven. Watshela umazazi athi mina ngizoshintsha ngoma umchita for wena.
Alambeze ngibuya kwami angisenayo ipenis mina ngine-vagina. Ngibuya kwami
angazwanga wonke amagama ngithatha.
Etabeni.
Itabane. Entabeni. Yeah. Kwenza kanjani kulo process?
Ngakhalela ke.
Yini echangile mfeli ukuthi nawe sizibona ogele kube mina ngokucava umjika.
Kungazibona ukuthi ivesi uyangibamba enkwarini. Okay sahamba angidle besathi ithi nawe ngidle. Ngapha wami ngumfazi mina.
Ukhalela kanjani indoda nami ngiyindoda sihlala sonke. Shela thina manje sisala ukuthi mase sishawe phansi yangitshela. Shaya cross night umakala sekazobamba la. Yasho bafethu this is your favorite boy in London uma sweet izinto ezimnandi ebathini lapho Mr. Six Guy. Ngiyacava bafethu haresi bafethu man khona amanye ama situation avelile ngiyangithola so besingasakwazi ukurecord yabo mara no fail sibuyile and sibonga laba basubscribe no yangithola cause I know bafethu si serious ngiyangithola senza ama hit ngiyacava bafethu yiku esithele mina uhlezi uvana abantu file mara ngicela emagaming ngiyangithola so emagaming
sure bafethu mphethe umadalaskopi so maphutha so ma mistake
enough bafethu sure bafethu it's your boy pele the real pele to bafethu para kokasi para ko fredos bafethu lazi nali bafethu wapeka kwitana la benga bafethu siphetha kwesisitude ngayi abangene
Banyana ki also now snarely on the block the best of the ropest.
Okay, simple and sweet.
Hey guys, it's a girl Spush Mamizi. Ibhodlela lakho le ice droppers ngimnandi nje ngabo ngabe mnandi mina kuyoba mnandi bani.
The baddest bitch in Mzansi. I ain't gotta tell you. Tashi already know what's up. Okay guys, I go by my name Obi Watts. Obi O'Brien. The most talked about gay guys.
Sure bafethu nwazila ama intro ne and feel mbaphethe abo Obi nabo sibanibani feel ngitshola ama gay wafika sibanibani kanjani angwazwanga wonke amagama ngithatha
Etabeni.
Itabane. Okay bafethu ngitshola ngibazwile ngibaphethe feel nani if wena uhlezi ubukela ngitshola yabacava feel uhlezi drop ama video wabo and please bafethu if umusha please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button like ushare yangithola nawe omunye utshela umngane ukuthi hayi man ama hotmane
Etabeni.
Netabane. So fele bafethu ne yifandaka ne for mina ngivana ama gents now sonke soyitrika nje sivana ama gents ngithola so no ama gents thina sikhuluma nani feli njalo nosifuna ukubuza le mibuzo esibuzana yona masihleli singamajite engojini maceda kudlula itabane feli njalo so I hope and mind nani njalo
no hard feelings
but some answers are going to be cold and don't take it personally. It's just the truth.
Feel. Okay, question yokuqala mina ngizoqala nje yami ngithatha like ngizonibuza as a group nje ozozizwa ngathi
ukuthi debate debate
asithathe some sort of interview
Q&A.
Okay, fair like na question yami from side lami yokuqala ngithatha like ninonke kanje ne shit vele ngizo answera individual nje so no as sonke thina ngithi sikhule some of you wena art thina ngiqondise ukuthi ngikule nawo feel yangithola yini echangile feel ukuthi nawo sizibona ogele kube mina ngokucava umjika
Ha, kungazi.
badla
sikhula
nothing changed.
It's like
mara ngizo-answera fela nithi
Okay. Ithini question?
thina sikwazi umjida ne sakhula sonke like for nina nonke nikanje ne for sure nonke like mangikhula khona la majida bemploma nawo nani ezisabantwana basekazi ezisabantwana basekazi
sonke, but there is people you used to be with.
yeah ngijoma like sengikhulumela ikasi
It is, yeah.
so no labo bantu okhule nabo angithi ama-gents akucava umjida fila ngithi so no like yini enzekile ukuthi wena uzinothisa ukuthi mina ngisumjida ngokuyena.
Okay. Mina like from like dala to dala mara like uthi ngideni izibhedlela kakhulu. I was in grade 8 I think. Since ngihamba la from package.
Before we started obviously athi le benikhuluma
abafana
so obviously angithi
ngikhuluma nayo njaya
benikhuluma
level understanding like ukukhula the difference between ukukhula bese abantwana abancane naye ngeke simbuze manje ukuthi bade bafaka amacici emncane bekangafaka amacici
mina
so mawukhulu ade bekagcoyiswa umzali mawukhula
okay
so like
yini boyisa ninonke it's not like Serena no athi kuphela ninonke
like mina vele ngizomjaja yabo so ngizalo
mara vele ukuringivari iba somehow
Yes. And from a young age,
Mara
like
bayambona
no musa le strateni bakthiza
atisukule na sikaze sambiza nestabani samangala buye emakhaya
so you understand when you just see the change ukhambeni kwesikhathi ukuthi okay change but yeah from a young age I feel like izinto like when you are a person who is gay like from a young age there's some things you like that boys don't like.
Yes.
ngixoxele ngo-adi mina since ngikholeni adi bekatshontshe singamajida besitshontshe and u-adi bekatshontsha kakhulu hlanu bekuyotshontsha ukudlula wonke umuntu so masekabuya
question abayibuzile iphendule
phendule mzali
okay I need to like ngikhule lo obvious
indlela yakho Jimmy Qoqo
so I need like benisasebancane obvious bekasabi kuyiveza obvious bekasaqokuswa umzali nani obvious benizomjaja bengeke endlale na uyabona that's why like bekafuna ukuthi like afithe in at least adlale nani lonke yeah understand ukuthi like nani ngamthathi nithi yethi nasalida abantu
wena
bula majida okhule nawo
wena like uzithole like ngizoyibeka kanjani
uzithole kanjani ukuthi umfazi wasindoda kwenza kanjani kulo process
ngakhalela ke bekhalela bona like bekunalento lokuthi asazoshela mina angifuni mina ngathi
wena bosaba amantombazane
mina bengithi hayi akangichazi nomntana lo ya mina ngizathi ukuthi hayi
wona mathinyakwana
mara ngithi hayi
kaSlam bevakashe kaSlam beyumjida ivakashe kaSlam
hayibo obviously jomoza ngitshela lapha bengisavakasha la
boma 2 years back ngikhuluma
chomene like lapha le ya bengisasomfana cause le freedom park bengumfana because bengisaba ukuthi like ijomoza ngitshela so like obviously ngithi mina ngihlala bengiza la ngithe ngathi ngumfana like mara khona la bengibabhekile ukuthi kunalo mfana mara bengize like bengikhona ukuthi okay ithi ngiyodlala nabafana like bengayazi ama gay la estradini namantombazana
behlangane kanjani
mina ninonke
mina you understand amount ufike la from phela kumfana because awukhona ukuzi express kahle yabona like
mawuyiwana ngeke uyiveze kahle
noma nje back up
no confidence
umngani
No,
like uba nemoto.
Wasn't like yabona mina ngisafika like from back ne ngingajoki like benginazi impahla mara I was just scared ukuthi bangangiboni ngaleyo ndlela phela mina nasikhathi ngisafika ngishile nabafana ne
manje boyishala boyishala
no khona le personality no but bangazi ukuthi like ngigay ne stuff but bengagcokile bengicwa ngkhona until ngicwa la then mangihlala no art na same thing because mara siyabonana ukuthi abantu mara besingafuni ukubudisana but like ngathini I-confidence unayo but awufuni ukuthusa abantu
because mina ne bengizishiya impahla zamantombazane like ama-cover pants bengizishiya le mangiza la ngithwalisa abafana because umama like bekanolento lokuthi qoka normal kodwa ufuna ngithi angiyifuni lento le because le anginamngani so like abafana bazothi njikijiki bonuza ngamabhruku aphansi ama-cargo pants ne-crop top but angeke sidlaleni so
manje ke wena if ware your case azophinda uchange ube umfana
manje sengimdala manje sengiyakwazi
so manje noma ungayi-America ufika ube yistabana
ya ngumfazi manje
Feli since angivela masikhula vele ngithi ngiyashibeni sabe ukuyiveza nanani
Mina ngisabanga ngisho ngikho
from a crash boyistabana
nje ngibengifuna nje lento yabafana bengihlezi ngigijimisa
manje mayufuna eyakho yona
like ngikhule nganayo nje ngikhule like ngikhule hayi ukuthi bencane behlezi la yabona ngathi la space behlezi space
hot dog
beku hot dog like unjoma nje behlezi
okay unjoma nule sesingade afile next door
baby
asibe siya
Okay, sorry, hot dog. Okay. Okay, like for me now, like I've always liked different things. Like for me now, from abafana, bengithanda abafana ne, bathi into bengithanda, bengithanda Beyonce, Nicki Minaj. You know, when I'm with girls, I feel different. Noma siyadlalisa, I always want to be the auntie or the something. You know, just not male. I didn't feel like my whole life, you know. And Mankula, the time I started feeling actually like something for boys was grade 8.
yeah
So then I was like, okay, I'm gonna express it because there's nothing I can change. It's a feeling, you know. When you have it, you can't change it, you know. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna embrace it. Let's me when I get walking, we understand that. And it's like, I'm like, you know what? Till this day I still go to church and I feel like most people they look at me differently from the people that know me from.
so moye sonto lumfundisi ubheka kanjani
No, I am here paying me the one. You have to just my age. Guys, umfundisi ashmayela.
ikanje neladies asithi sihlala sisonke la usithole uyiprincipal uyalayini or umfundisi yabona njengoba sisonke kanje sibona sibona everything whenever mina abona ukuthi like angikho yimi ngithola ngisebe usithola uzobona ama changes ukuthi everything kanje ngithola but today ngani i-reaction ngamfundisi beyinjani mega sekabona lo yasishake manje khambani nani
Umfundisi angeke asho next. Into yazi, you know, I'm being honest. Mamela, I'm being honest, you know. Umfundisi akasho next. Iseqinisweni lam. You understand? Yena ngashumayela mhlambe azama ukushumayela towards mina.
so esontweni like abakade
But we understand ezakhe. Uyashumayela into ayibona into abelieve kuyo because that's what mhlambe yena ukhule ngaleyo ndlela. But for mina we understand ngiphila impilo yami ngiyaye esontweni ngiyoyathela nginaso leso sibindi
believer or like
I'm a Christian. I've been baptized. So it's 58.
so good to
easy
So minelami sonto like isonto nje elira. So as much as I don't go a lot, balekela nokuthi banalento bangijudge, you know. Some of them they do judge. So I don't want to be around them a lot, but then I do go because I have to go. You understand it at the end of the day. Abangitsheli lokho mina noma mama wathi mama ngathi zizi i-crop top ubadi
Sazigqoka.
wathi esontweni ngathi okay esontweni ngigqoka kahle but mina I'm sorry I'm
Moti kahle
I
usho
can't.
amaroga amade because ugel ngakagcoki kahle sontweni.
No.
Gcoka amaroga amade.
Ungagqoka esontweni ngikugqoka iroko okay. They do when you're gone, but for me, I can't because I don't wanna make them uncomfortable. I'm comfortable, right, in my own skin. Believe me, I can go. But then what I don't wanna do, I don't wanna take away attention from umfundisi or attention from whatever's going on in church. But so I respect that, and lapho ngihlonipha ama boundaries wami. It's okay, you know.
Mara like via iBhayibheli ngithiwa Old Testament. Ithi indoda elala nenye indoda itsesini. Okay, bafethu nanibhekelela next episode ngicela umkhiphela le verse lo.
Manje ukuthi ke bathi umfazi olala nomfazi sini.
Mamela, that's the thing. Yebola magama lawo. I think you might have not read them from the Bible, but you heard them from somewhere or from a video. And the law magama, they are not there in the Bible. In the Bible, it does not say when a man lays with a man. It does not say that at all. Every person, if you lay with a person before marriage, that's the rule. That's in the
uNkulunkulu makacreate umhlaba ucale ngomhlaba ngithi walandela ngilwane wathi before ilwane wathi kube ne darkness ne shyness ngithi lightness ifile ngitshela wayenza umjida. And then after kwenza umjida wabona ukuthi umjida ulolu
Yobo sezulu
wathatha iflesh yomjida and one rib mame
he's speaking the truth though.
And one rib yomjida athini umjida uyabambeka. So kungcono ngenzeni umkhaya umuntu ozomsiza.
I would but he's making a person.
It's not like it's
they do not become
When you talk pizza, say me
mina nasikhathi ngisesemncane like okay yazi ngikhulele la Freedom Park maybe ngihlala le emabonding abangani bami like from 5 years bonke bengidlalisa yabona abo Messi abo Msibonile bengidlala nabo chombe ngibaletha kithi sidlalise kithi nje namakaka mama nje I think bengidlala namantombazana nje bengana sikhathi abafana yo like nje bengana next like ngifila ngathi isikhathi nganthola lesabafana is the day angazi bangidlalisa ibhola into mama bekadlala nami bekangiforce nje ukuthi ngidlale ibhola nabafana egroundini yo God but
Isquad
anyways ngidlale nje nabantombazana nayo
ugqokisa umpophi now.
umama
ubushanga amaphepha dolly nje
no konke shaya phepha dolly ngcoyi impahla zaka mama plus mama beka ihairdresser ngihlala
Nami yazi cishe ngaba igay yazi.
Wangabacishe.
Bengigqokile.
ya ukhulu ugcoka impahla zaka mama
Yeah, mina nithi.
Inkinga yishila ekseni, obvious ekseni bengihlezi ngivuka.
Ngiyeza manje mina la
Kuthi
like now we start uphuza iphilisi obese iphilisi lizokwenza ukuthi lento ingasawuzali ngeke la
Melu bele imali
When you phuza lelo philisi.
hayibo ivukela ngoba isebenzi
you know the problem is, you know when the problem is
I vogue like something it's like into I'm like I stay totally. Like
you know what okay guys honestly you know
Ishona ngokuya kwami angisenayo ipenis mina ngine vagina ngokuya kwami jabala gathi trash
okay so honestly you know the thing is guys it's nature. At the end of the day, nature you cannot go against. But the problem is people like you are using it against. It's a question people are going to use against us because they know it's nature. You understand?
Yeah,
Which one- Listen what I'm trying to say. We're not gonna run away from it, but we're not gonna speak about it because we're not comfortable with it.
So when like
It's my privacy. No, I would say that's private. Besides no bro.
Like
It's private. Whatever happens, it's private.
Githi ne like bebana lento ukuthi man like now into act like I'm ukuthi bebana lento le ngelinye langa abaphi like yo athi so
Mina ngifuna
Igama lakho la ngempela kusubane.
kamala nguyanga kamala nguyanga ne but ngamagama ethu sibongile noyanga
Sibongile.
yes
Sibongile like umama abazali bakho.
from my side from my grandmother like
Mara like mina ngifite bafile sazana bacela isaba
no like yeah like mina ngicabanga ngokuyile nto leyo cause
sibongile.
yeah sibongile uNkulunkulu umshini staba
Very obvious.
Mom said the same
It's
thing.
nature.
My mom named me.
Mara like khona
My mom just we are there like because obviously happiness. My mom felt like I'm gonna bring her happiness, which I do, and she said Yonela because no man it takes it you're calling it Espanol to make cool man just come last week you know what's the taxi but you know that thing you know no
like mama so like bebathi ngintombazana so that's why bavele bathi sibongile
So
Mambe ngiyintombazana
before siyaphambili ubani uze nale idea le ukuthi niziveze manje ngamachita bese niveza vele senikre afethu ngizobona la escreenini sithiwa izinto zakho daya ngizobona fele la ngizolea
temporary ngale yavile bavele bathi abafana bayakufanele ngithi hayi ngistabana
favorite walk yami it was from Uopi le kanye Sunday okay ngokubuza nje
because yabona ukuthi abikho nje ukufana lapho ngawa kanjani mfana ohamba
awuthlepile
awusho ishayini
ngathi ngiyobamba inkunzi
lonke nishayini
Mina ngicela ukubuza ke since ni kanje nina ama outway ngora.
omunye nomunye nendoda yakhe
mina futhi
asiyenze lento esheni
I don't date
Nina ngokwena ngikhalela athi kanje.
no ngahalela
mina ngeke ngatshola nomunye cherry ne so like le cherry bengitshola naye bekanomacala westabane okay like bengihlezi ngibabona babonke yabo mangihlezi ngibabona babonke sijikijiki okay lama ngisamboni ngalesi sitabane lo bese ngabuza mina enhleke mfethu khambile why ningasaboni ngalomngane wakho athi hayi cabanga uchomi mangeza uthe yazi uchomi noma ngashaye wani mina ngiyakhalela
maybe lo senzisayo ukuthi amantombazana
loyo ufuna leyo ntombazane mhlawumbe akafuna uzamukela ngendlela
ngendlela zakhe
so zikhona itabane
yeah akhona amagay anjalo but like it's not like itabane
awekho la
anibambani
abanjalo and the next one
mara like mina ngikhula nabosisi yabo sabosisi like mangihlele ngaphandle bangaphakathi bageza ngisanokuzoma into namabela amangaka so nawe nokusho yo chobi marolo nojome engaka
mina ngiyakudlula
mina yazi ngenza
like ngasho mina like from ngiyakudlula ngomzimba like ayikho phezulu
Ezashilo isiboshwa athi unjomane sikhuluma ngonjomane. Okay,
mina noma ngingageza phambi kwegay angeke like ngibe nalento because mina anginayo penis ezingishilo.
Mina ke ngitsheleni ukuthi like mina abangani bami basesikoleni umngani wami osesikoleni bengimthanda uAmanda bengihlezi ngihamba naye ekuseni ngimfikela geza aze kithi ngigeza mara ngimake sure ukuthi mangokha nje ikuku print team so bekanganaki njalo lento leyo nje like
because yes we cake
like
phambi kwababa mama.
bengayinaki
ngikeza phambi
Intombazana I respect my body umzimba wami ngiyahlonipha ngintombazana ngingigezele phambi kwababa mama hayi yona ngikhona.
mara of course masomdala
Nanyakeza phambi kwababa mama.
Registering now igqoka fika.
Nje.
So like uJomo umfihla kanjani
Which is
mina ila
like manje ngitshela like mina sothini asigcoka amagcoka amatonga ijistri sigcoka amasema protein kanjani.
Okay, mala kama hormones wena.
I think after this question it's enough about us let's see in that side
What kabele sele how
The show bafethu it's not all about you. It's about me.
it's about us
Uzani phele namtshela.
it's a question.
I'm not to myself.
Une questions. Smela wena silent.
Opasile mfethu sibesile.
Okay, so mina the questioning now ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi mina ngisharp ne. So why mawubona istabane seziwokhela angithi belinake indaba yakhe uya kumngane wakhe wena so yarasa ke uyarasa
Abantu bafuna ishow
yena ufuna show off or uyisho kwinhlizweni ukuthi uyadineka or like reason yokuyisho ufuna or uyakhalela phela abanye because thina masibhekile lo zoqala ukukhuluma kubonke manje
uye lo vele
ufuna mina ngifila ngathi ulo mine
ukhona kakhulu mara ufuna ukujabulisa
because if uzinakela indaba zakho ne yabo siya understand manje lozo ufila kanjani mazulu yabo
Fere like singamajita ngithe mina ngikhulumela amajita singamajita
Sikhulumele wena uyibanzi.
mina ngithi fere from mina ne iside la mezungomjita ne amajita sigcwelele into yokuthizana file yabo noma ubhena ngafika thenge isicathule esintsha siyamhleka
nifuna ukubona
yo macala wena uthenge iphathu entsha nana ngijwa so nawe mawehla sibona umjita ucoke iskate ngijwa so siba na riding sokuthi cabale ecoke iskate emacala uwele
oh mina kahle kahle ngifela
ngikupha lo why wena
okay wena ufila kanjani mawuthi sakho lesi
mina ayikho into engifila ngijabulile because mina ngihlekise ngomacala amajita azohleka umacala after lento engizoyisho baba bathi sakho lesi nani
wena ufila kanjani ukuyiqala indaba
mara
indaba uyiqala angeke ngithi khona into engiyifilayo
bese okay uyayicala indaba ne bese ubone leso sitabana sike-entertain maybe like ufila ukuthi uzenze islima wena
angazi ngafika kanjani
utheni akayicabangi right into ehlupha ukuthi common sense as a person you know ukuthi you should not do that.
Yeah.
What you are trying to do, you're trying to make your friends laugh, right? So are we kabang?
For example,
which is why they say as much as you're gonna clown, so you must never yabona starting that's why kunama clown yabona
Futhi banalento lokuthi
uhlupha umuntu abanandaba nawe yabona nje makayolala yena ulala une peace uyazazi ukuthi ngiyimi
So like nina I'm offended darling so
offended yabona nje mabasho
like mabasho kanjalo for mina like ngipha that more confident ngile nje inyashitla ngipha le confident ukuthi like okay sharp like le attention ngifunayo bangibheki sibaphele into abayibhekile
nje
sibe lento abayifunayo
athi ngibaniki content ngizomniki content
fully content
futhi mawuza futhi uza ngamandla ke
ngiyangazi ke maselaphampa vele
yapampa nokupampa
so
like ukuphampa
akaphendule nawo mina pendula mkhulu wami
Oh mina le yabo leyo ukuthi masiblome economy sithi bheka lesi inkinga like nina understand no umbona umuntu makahamba le hamba kahle mase kafika la abafanele uyashake
so wena kahle kahle mawusho uthi uqala uyibhekele wo uyayizuma no lentombazane uyayibona from afar
injani yazi guidance
ufilile kahle
noma kungavela iphara decide solbheka singamajene mangilibheka ngizoba necomment ngithe baba cava le phetha masaka and asiyenzi uyitabanini kuphela namaphara wonke umuntu nomuntu onomali odlula eshaya party yo macala uwe le party content uwe le party
yathi ngiyayivala le
and mina
but sharp
makajapa
because umuntu makawokha ne uyambheka from the ubone kanjani ukuthi ushintshele kushuthi bomneke
ukuthi bamnazi ukuthi
abheke from le okay iqale itshintshe ukuthi ubone okay ukuthi yena ne uyibone
bathi into bekhala kabuthole
kamela wena bona ngale ndlela yami ivalid iwalk when uze wayibona yazi yashintsha
wena lewe okhuluma ngakhona emathala
chuthi uzishayi
akusuku uzishaya ngithola
itshintshe iwalk
angavela macala ngithola namaphara macala linokuvela
amaphara
like
umbeko hayi kodwa
beka kule wave itshintshe
iwalk so since okay like mina nizama ukusho ukuthi okay since ngekho interested mele ngibe na one look ngivele ngibhekele
why are you interested
mele ngibe no okay
na bayaphendula la question naphuma like mina I don't wanna lie mangibona abafana vele iwork yami ivele ibe bese mabangibheka kakhulu ivele imosheke ngivele ungathi nje nyawa like
because bakubheka isikhathi
eside like iwork ivele imosheke
and nabo bajampisa phela bazoqala noma
I like ivele like nasha nami ngibana lento ukuthi okay shaka ngibhekile ni singishaye iwork yami bese mase bangibheka okay shaka mabangibhekile like ngiyehla anginanda ithi ngidlule khana emosheka ifeel ungathi manje ngihamba ngenyendlela engasiyo mina le nto leyo shame
anyone ofuna ukansara le ndaba phela
mina ke mangihamba ngifama iPhone into engebaleka ukuthi
ngimphethe ngahlangana ne Shoprite eshaye New York iwalk emhlaba since
ngaba kanjalo yazi in July I always say good that's how I walk I don't change walk that's how I walk like I don't know sometimes I feel like I'm even scared to walk because it's gonna be like Ibo told me don't shake kids break kids those things I'm not trying to get attention it's how I walk it's yabo so mina I walk yami nje you walk yami angishake ngihamba nje
awusinela ndaphula
so
why me okay like why me
when yashintsha walk
imagine makupheleta
angithi sasekule question
mina ngiko yini homophobic yini homophobic
siswami lesibhena bona so ngiyana-understand
ma-LGBT
ama-pride khona nama-event la abawahambayo amaphakamisa
manje ngicela since usisi wakho lesbian kuyenzeka ukuthi usisi wakho athole wena ufana nawo
akusingingi angeke bamenze next sizidonga fana
Kuyenzeka.
angeke
like ikhona lento ukuthi akhona
like akhona ama-pansexual ama-pansexual ajula
imalisiqinisekise ngikhona ama-lesbian mina ngazi ama-lesbian ngiyicabanga phela
okay kunama-lesbian
ngazi wani ithanda kanje
igama lasekasi okay like bensasho khona nangaza ama-lesbian amagigi
ama-bisexual ama-pansexual ama-queer
mapai amatopa amabottom sizwa yipi masho
uyabona phakathi kwegay kunamarule amaningi kunalo olalwayo ayenze both kunalo yenza both mara mina ngiyalalwa
yalalwa azimathi bottom or top asandas yalalwa or yalalwa
angadliwa
ngamini ukuthi khudi ngithaza ukuthi like lokuthi njengoba nibuza ukuthi njengoba nisa so sengifuna nje ngiyavela ngiyazi like it's my role I'm a role role yami
bese kuba nama-verse like uyangidla nyakubo
mara mina bona mina le mangatholi verse like okay ngiyambona ukuthi iverse uyangibamba enkwarini okay sahamba angidle besathi ithi nawe ngidle ngapha wami ngumfazi mina angiyenzi lokuthi mina manje omuntu manulele kulele akavuka ngambula kadala
avuke mina
mina umuntu right uzomthinta asithi uma like akathokanga
nami I've been like ukiverse like ugayi bengimculo uZahara namazo Zahara uyacula wemike ke mama ngathi nje life proper competition ngiphuma number 1 wathi bangangibiza kuzoba try so mangiphuma kanjalo athi nalomfana nanoza ngayibuza kuphi hayibo akusebenzi leto lokuphotsa hayibo like uthi let me was and like for it
let me was in
like was and to the back ulolile
so wena bonga i-reason yokuthi ungafuni bekuyini
yabona istock sit most munga ufila like ungathi ichepisi kade ukufika so like nami ngifila le nto ukuthi hayi like lento ayifunayo angeke izifike uzothatha isikhathi ukuthi uzoyimunca like angeke ifike la ifuna khona
bekabuza ngale
ushayela amapilisi ushangaza
khohla macala khohla
like bengibuza ne
yeah sure
like abafana ba straight like isabane mazidlula bayasiqala ngithi then why isabane masiphendula back ufuna ukusishaya
drunk
yazi singamajita sinani noma singakwarana sikanje si3 ne wankwara ngento ezongoffenda ne ngizofuna ukukushaya Itabani zothi macala nasi lesi sakho siyadlula. Sithi nambona lo rasa kanje. Uyo lengilala naye. Amajita yaspaya yamthoyo macala vele yasihlaba lesi vele yamthe. No sena uyabase yahlala kumntana ungijwayela kabi yamthoyo. Thingilande
manje wangasha
makala khona
wawungashayi
nanento like
ifana bongaphendulanga ne bengeke thina abanye sinjoya nokushaya umuntu abantu
mara ungathi location okay shaka ungathi leso sibane ungathi like leso sibane sokushaya ngempama sikushaye like sikushaye kuze abangandakubashaye
bakumure
nipakela indoda nami ngilanda abangani bami ke sanipakene like sinishaye ke
mura
that is mina nifike nalo bekathi ufunda nami
Uraven
watshela umazazi athi mina ngizoshintsha ngimomjita for wena alambese ngimzaba ngithi hayi orevireva
ukuthi mabathi splendor bese masomshaya ibhomba vele bathi ngathi ungavela intshebe uma ufike khona into
sitshela bogela abashaya ibhomba okay fair ne ugele like angubhisi ukuthi ugele mara as iside lami ngithola khona bogela fair moshawa ibhomba ugele omuhle hello pop awena ngathi ungachayisa istimela emanzini ngithola njani fair into enjawe uzovela intshebe wena abogela abanentshebe ilaba bachomela amadoda nani ngithatha mina ngithatha kanje vele nesijita sami ngithatha from inside to sibeka kanjani iquestion enye vele.
So guys, let's talk about being bisexual. So I want you I'm guys ukuthi mina is it a problem ukuba nomngani or bisexual?
Like light skin insane no yiwana athi I'm never fitting yazivida abantu.
Mfethu ngeke uxove ngapha nangapha mfethu.
Uyakhathala ngefish.
Uyakhathala ngefish. So my man
Ishanuka phela. No, wena inkinga uthi ne?
Ungani wakho
mashoni.
Okay sure.
Kuthi ulo uthanda ukukhulumela amajita.
Mina
amajita.
Okay, asithi
amajita.
Phela bomfika bathi
izili question yakithini
ungayenza
unomngani
batwana like more explain ungathi it's you
uyi-why
mina for mina ne umjita o bisexual for me istabana should must me
like
unomkhopolo umuntu enza kanjalo
ufuna ubuzwa ifish ne-chocolate because vele bathi ifish inuka kabi i-chocolate imnandi.
Anyway, thula man, ayitsho
for side lami feel ngithola
nimzile boy.
okay guys bosh bakasakhuluma
mina for side lami feel ngithola
nimzile boy.
okay guys bosh bakasakhuluma
mina feel from side lami ngithola idayile ngisi mina umjito bisexual istabana ngivala kanjalo ngithola umjito
uthathe sithi na uzokukhalela
ukhalela kanjani enye indoda nami indoda sihlala so shuthi mase sikhulunyiwe salo uthi lele lapha phela thina manje salo uthi mase sishawe phansi yangithola cross night umakala sekazobamba
uthi depend ukuthi
ukwenza
uthi depend ukuthi ungana wakho uthanda i-feminine or i-masculine. If uthanda masculine uzothanda wena if uthanda abantu uzothanda so wena mangabe unomngane bisexual angeke ancome thini uzosihleka nawe mara maka nawe uzokufuna.
okay
we understand that is why sihlukanisa
feel
mina ngicela lakho ukubuza lento le okay shabi
ofede buza ngiziphinda location ngicela kubheni nona sithanda ngaphendula
Okay,
uba nomngane bisexual inkinga awathi
ukuba nayo bisexual hayi mina ngike ngaba naye yabona ngike ngaba naye athi yazama ukungibamba ngamtshela kade hayi ngistraight mina macha hayi bafethu
manje yenzeni ukuthi
so manje inkinga or inkinga
for me obviously ya makazongibamba so basically makabamba abanye ya makabamba abanye akusinkile
kuyinkinga and awulindawo
why because unganaka angeke azokujoba
we need support phela wokumuntu
mina ngisupport
most of your life the people you need support from we are tall but when instead of to support ngara kwentene one
okay ngithi
ngitshela ukuthi wena ungalatha friendship ye10 years ngenxa yokuthi nakho namhlanje I decided to like someone who's different from you
ngithi macala pene ntwana ngiya understand ntwana uzincanyela ichocolate box hayi unga-understand mara like for example senyasho ita macala mina ngiya understand imagine sounda kanjani kulamanye amajita amacala
amanye amajita ini wena uyabona ihlupha
ucabanga namajita
utshela wena ungani wakho batshela amajita utshela wena
atshela mina ngicabanga amajita ube uke ngibe yini utena akahodla amajita makhe mina mina nezami isungdeni ngibona le yami ubona mina mabona le yami ubona mina ishuti le yami mayishaya istabane ishuti nami ngibona ngishaya istabane kumele ngiyijaje
ayikho leyo
kumele ngiyijaje hayi aninayo
marutshele wena kasela ngomunye umuntu ubonwe uwe wena
yabona thina samagay kanje ni sonke sihlukile mina one lana angathi no mina ngilala nama-blesser it doesn't mean ukuthi sonke silala nama-blesser one makathi ujola nama-para
mara mina uyabona mina ngiyabona nasemantombazane like wena mamothi nonke
waningadli labo babi imali banemali and ngazithi ngitshela
nama ngathulela
like man funa imali wozanizenje umsebenzi
okay bafethu mabandinga abanthola kanjani file kuma social media platform
angithi is active ku Facebook
abatshela ukuthi ubani file yabo
okay
abatshela siqala ihamba kanje file
mina ngiyibiza as introduction nami because ngifuna bazi ukuthi
it's fine it's
okay uzoqala
awuzoqala uOP abantwana ngimashangane nayo
abanale ukuthi mabathi splendor bese masomshanye ibhomba bave bathi ngathi ungavela intshebe mufike ekhona into enhle
ayisitshela bogela abashaya ibhomba ugela
like niyasho
okay fair ne ugela like angibhisi ukuthi ugela mara as side lami ngitho khona bogela fair moshawa ibhomba ugela omuhle hello pop awena ngathi ungachayiswa istimela emanzini ngitshela into enjani fair into enjani wena uzovela intshebe wena abogela abanentshebe ilaba bachomela amadoda nani sithatha mina ngithatha kanje fair nesijita sami ngithatha from the side lethu sibeka kanjani equation enye fair.
So guys, let's talk about being bisexual. So I want you guys between is it a problem ukuba nomngani or bisexual?
like light skin insane no yiwana athi I'm never fitting yasijita la
mfethu ngeke uxobe ngapha nangapha mfethu
uyakhathala ngefish
no wena ukuthi ne
umngani wakho
masho
okay sure
uthi ulo uthanda ukukhulumela amajita
mina phela mina for mina ne umjita o bisexual for me istabana shithi maslomi like
unomkhopolo umuntu wenza kanjalo
ufuna ukuzwa ifish ne-chocolate because vele bathi ifish inuka kabi ichocolate imnandi
anyway thula man ayitsho
mina for the side lami feel ngitsho
nimzile sbosh
okay hayi sbosh bakasakhuluma
mina phela from iside lami ngitsho idayini mina umjito ubisexual istabana ngivala kanjani ngitsho umjito
uthathe sithi na uzokukhalela
ukhalela kanjani indoda nami indoda sala shithi mase sikhulunyiwe
ukuthi lele labaya phela thina manje sala ukuthi
mase sishawe pipe yamtho
cross night macala sekazobamba
kudepend ukuthi ungana epe
ukwenza equation
kudepend ukuthi ungana wakho uthanda ifeminine or masculine if uthanda masculine uzothanda wena if uthanda
abantu
so wena mangabe unomngane bisexual angeke ancome thini uzosihleka nawe mara maka nawe uzokufuna
okay
you understand that is why sihlukanisa
feel
mina ngicela lakho ukubuza lento le okay shabi
buza ngiziphinda lication ngicela kubheni nona sithanda ngaphendula
okay
bana umngane bisexual inkinga awathi
ukuba nayo bisexual hayi mina ngike ngaba naye yabona ngike ngaba naye athi yazama ukubamba ngimtshela kade hayi ni straight mina bacha
wangabambekanga nawe
manje
so manje inkinga or thinking
for me ya makazongibamba
so basically
makabamba abanye makabamba abanye akusinkile
because kuyinkinga and awungendawo
why because umngane wakho angeke azokujika
we need support phela wokumuntu
mina ngisupport
in most of your life the people you need support from we are told but when instead of support ungana kwentene one
okay ngithi
ngitshela ukuthi wena ungalatha friendship ye 10 years ngenxa yokuthi nakho namhlanje I decided to like someone who's different from you
ngithi macala pene ntwana ngiya understand ntwana uzincanyela chocolate box
hayi unga-understand
mara like sengiyasho ukuthi ayimacala mina ngiya-understand imagine sounda kanjani kulamanye amajita ayimacala
amanye amajita ini wena uyabona ihlupha
ucabanga amajita
utshela wena umngane wakho batshela amajita utshela
ngibona le yami ubona mina mabona le yami ubona mina ishithi le yami mayisha istabane ishithi nami ngibona ngisha istabane kumele ngijaje
ayikho leyo
kumele ngijaje
awajani
ishele aninayo igirl
marutele wena ngazela ngoba umuntu ubonwe uwe wena why
yabona thina samagenge kanje ni sonke sihlukile mina one lana angathi no mina ngidlala nama-blesser. It doesn't mean ukuthi sonke silala nama-blesser. One makathi ujola namaphara.
Mara mina yabona le uyabonaka lo. Mina yabona nasemantombazane like like wena mangothanda bazothi nonke
wani ngadli labo babi imali abanemali and ngiyazi ukuthi ngitshela ngiphi imali mamelani ngitshele
like man funa imali wozani uzenza umsebenzi
okay bafethu uma banidinga banithola kanjani phela kuma social media platform
Angithi is active ku Facebook.
ama username abatshela ukuthi ubani feed yabo
Okay.
abatshela isiqala ihamba kanje feed
maka mina ngiyibiza as introduction nami because ngifuna bazi ukuthi
It's fine. It's
okay
fine.
uzoqala
OP yabona ngimashangana.
Hey guys, what's popping? It's a girl Obi O'Brien on all social media platforms, like all social media platforms. I'm Obi O'Brien.
So guys, it's your girl Yanela Patty. You know guys, Yanela Patty guys on Facebook, Instagram, everything guys. So mina ngicela ngisifike mangabefana ubone ngathi uzongithola.
Yeah, he had to get bafethu
Usiboshe nimtexteni nje
Bomnikezi
Hey guys, what's popping? It's your girl Sposh Mamizi ibhodlela lakho le ice droppers ngimnandi njengayo ungabi mnandi mina kuyoba mnandi bani Ni 6 kan nina nje. Like ile so.
360 degrees. Let's asifuna umanzi lesikahle ngoba like sizokuchoka manje sizokuchoka phela wayigqoka ingicathulo sizokuchoka
Oh, asina keep your so bafethu angeke sipe bafethu ngani lapho election
asibambeni
uthola kanjani
Facebook, Instagram, unimshado like that.
Sure. Siye lapho makhelwane. Bathi ngibona.
Mina Facebook, Nalton Nashka, Instagram,
all social media platforms.
bafethu don't forget to like subscribe
And leave a comment.
kancane
angeke sikhiphe yonke into
from the gents
Sure.
ya bafethu yabona thina ne sisamachita kanje sinokuchila ngitshela ukuthi emaqala ulandele sesakho nawe ukuthi emaqala ulandele sesakho sichile la kube mnani maye nani kunokubanjani
indoda yakho so like mina okay
mara mina yangiyenza ngilethe kuyidaba because ingozi lezi indaba nezingozi indoda we-introduce kwistabane ozana ngiphendula ne indoda awu-introduce kwistabane like nesingahlala like se-acte ngathi kumnandi mara khona lo zohamba ayomsendela i-friend request babayizela into zabo zokuthi letha indoda
Awunayo ke.
mina shemaliletha
awuyasemba wena
nomnyamletha sheni
asifani nalestofu esichokayo
mina into engiyibonayo ngibona ungathi njengoba saba usaba ukuthi umuntu okuyobona intobe ezintsha like maka umuntu
ngifila ngathi umuntu
akungamfika
wami uthanda lezi ey'khathele
okay bafethu okay bafethu like mamelani ne khona amadoda pheli lamadoda mayothwala pheli ngicole ngokuthwala nithi khona lamadada mayothwala like isangoma siyamtshela obviously kuyena ukuthwala abanye bafuna igazi khona abanye bafaka inyoka nananana nje so amadoda khona lamadoda pheli like mawathwala bayamtshela ukuthi okay pheli wena for ukuthi wenza imali kumele ulale namanye amadoda mina njengoba nithi abanye nilala namadoda angazi ngahlangana ni-out like i-out yokuhlaba imali
because mina ngithola nomuntu olingana nami ngeke nje ngiye lapha ku-28 sifuna umuntu ophela la ku-25
maye wena hlangane kanjani ukulanda ebhoko or ifoni
mina like mina ngiprefer i-online date lezokuthi ungishela ngilande
ubona manje ka ukulanda ebhoko
bekile
esikolweni futhi wangilanda esikolweni
akahlali la
so now how many years njona
because nabo stop and go
Stop.
sinakufana ukuthi yaqhubeka ama-stop and go angeke
stop and go
last year
oh no
Yenza
no
matric.
1 and 3 wena wakho ade umuntu ufeli
because uFebruary
ayikwenzi 12 months
hayi buyenzile ngoFebruary
1 month
maye la ikahle usingile
yeah like okay really cause let's move on khona
rakhona manje
wena opi wena ata
Emakhaya ngina 3 years, la ngina 4. 4 yeah. 5 years man.
nokuhamba nonke ne-out yakho
Yes.
bosh
okay ngicela phinde question yazi ngolelo
khona unesikhathi singakanani
utshona nomuntu
senze i3 years ngi5 zakamanje
5 zakamathi
mina so mina ngibangwayi
Yo, amanga.
letaba nezinama
baba bushango kushaya isitina hayi ningasawashila ma
mara mina mawudlula 30 ngisayibeka namanje
so manje usazimaketha nale out-track esemakhaya
hayi mina shemlezi
Close for i-market.
akuzoshawa nje soba sesiphusha nje i-vibe nje kancane
Yeah.
ifake khopha
yeah nafika
yolanda
Yolela.
yelelo why ukhethithi why
I'm trying to be like
usingile
I'm not single, not looking
Okay,
I'm not mingling a money.
Sicela i-date for umngane wami shame yo.
I dating don't money.
Money for blind date.
Uopie yacho la.
Angijoli mina.
Khuluma nabo.
Sharp.
Asitshele.
Mina ngaziyo nginenhlanhla relationship.
Shayistina wena.
Baningi mothi
Like ama relationship ngingaba no guy vele.
Ayi wena.
Like nje on Mandla wale Mandla wase umuntu manje ombonise abafani ukuthi banjani like you know like
banjani
Cela isiqinele ndiyangoma
like
bambe bayidownloada futhi abatshele
ubeka uMandla wenza
Ene kabele sikhuluma ngale nto njengoba nithi
like inkinguthi like ubeka uMandla wenzani uMandla kahle kahle lapha khona ungiyethile because
Mandla usile
bangadownload
no yazi angithi like mawustabani for mina ni ngikhulile ngithola ama internet dating so the moment ngo grade 1 I'm sure 8 ilapho ngahlangana nomfana straight like
uMandla
like no hlangana nomfana for the first time like uzumncabuzi uzibe like nithwe rumini yeah so like that day ne eshinge ngithi like bengingangeni but asenzanga next ne but bengimthanda ngoba like ngathi first love no like like senzele ukuyenzeka like bekangithanda nami obsessed yabo so mangifika endlini vele obsessed guys like ufuna nokuthi like nje maqeda lapho after a week yo unblock so like ngicabanga yo ngapha sengicela abangani bami ukuthi like thumi bani noma enengathi ngiyagobhoza ngapha ngicela ngokumuntu ayisewashekela lokho maqeda lapho ngadineke eclassini nje ngithibeka uMandla yenzani bheka uMandla ngithibeka uMandla ungenzeni that's why ngithibeka uMandla yenzani then yonke lento ama lyrics lawo it was just yonke into
so ucula landle
yimi but mangithi
hayi download
mangithi uMandla like uMandla okhona ngithi bheka uMandla wenzani uvula imilenze ngathi uvula igate kanti uzongibreaka ufuna ubutshiji kahle like ngathi bekafuna yabaza abanye abafana abagijimisa ikheke kakhulu bangagijimisi wena so it was just their vision
awubheka uMandla wenza so manje la bheka uMandla wenza
yabona noma Jesus comment akasicela ikhiphe le track yofile yabo
ileza so
leza
mara like into engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi like abafana le bani vele
mana ngaqithi imzale khuluma mina ngisasheke mina ngilike nje nama relationship mina ngihlezi ngijwala like nje nabangani bami bayazi bengijwala nje content be on bengihamba no guys strateni leli tawa lezi ziya launch ke masibabona ukuthi ku relationship ezirasi
ngikutshela
mara anyways angazi ngithembe ngaleyo ndlela so
bheka uMandla wenza
ama blessed wena ngokwathi order like ish
ndwapheja ne
akusiblessa leli ngaka yazi like laba so milwe imoto nawo soyamangala nje awazi then like umuntu like akubless nje ngenzanga next yabo ukuthi uyakuthanda lamagile bengithanda ukuhlangana namagile amandala
mina ngicobuza discussion zonke itabani ezinemali zithola amacala khona esinye isitabani ngisazi asiphandi ngisibone kasi manje uthenga iflavor ngiyasibona mangibuye ngiyothenga izolo ngiyasibona
business loyo
emacala umbona estabani mara unemali asikho isitabani ngisaziyo
usebenza ku internet
vele like
ngiyasebenza
njengami wangithola internet
no ikepithize
and athi shema wena bakho nje abafana bamthola
inkinguthi yazi ukuthi wena understand ukuthi ezinye into abani like
imali zithola
because istabani it's so expensive being istabani it's so expensive like ukuthi na ube muhle ufuna ukufit standard ukuthi uyithola kanjani imali just know ukuthi standard usihamba nge-standard ufuna ukuba
before siyaphambila nibatsheleni ukuthi mina ngama store afide
increase imishoni
singakhiphi yonke into vandag bafika test sobuya round ponda ngizathi
nakhona enjoyile ngithola uyabona stay tuned for amajita netabane zizobuya zikhiphe yonke into
amajita visisa itabeni
okay nibazile bathini
Shout out to Stole, showstopper behind the cams.
okay bafethu nani niyazi bafethu inkana yenu leyo banite nilandana uma sweet izinto ezimnandi bathini lapho Mr. 6 grand flavor iri apple lapho
Awayazi.
siyo bafethu sayivala for fun ne and then akhona ungakhohlwa if you are new bafethu ne just make sure you subscribe notification button unazo ushare utshela abangani bakho ukuthi amajita netabane
Eyitabeni.
so bafethu siphuma kanjalo like bafethu
Kanti belizini.
amele sisho eyitabeni
osho ukuthi nina maseniyibiza nithi eyitabeni maka sort of like discrimination as discriminator eyitabeni
kumele sithiloke sicela
eyitabeni itabane mayi
okay mama mina ngizokhulumela amajita uzokhulumela uCruying
Okay, lisibona siyiteam bafethu
Amajita.
sithole bafethu angithola.
yeah okay
Yangithola
guys
batsheni bafethu.
please don't forget to subscribe like hit the notification bell. Yeah, so yeah guys see eyitabeni visisa amajita wasekhaya
Abeli bafethu nizwile nana ngithi.
make sure bafethu ya subscribe
Yeah,
tshela umngane abiza umngane atshela umngane ukuthi
ngoba yeke sokhipha yonkinto
and ngale episode
bafethu ngale episode bafethu sisela nje 10k subscribers bafethu siyazi ukuthi siyakhona vele hayi ngale episode okanjani bafethu